crackers kay BSP sa tega mo search nga ngo Sema ni and a VTFM live stream.
Hey,
Got it. Welcome to Palagi Show.
Mixed vegetables, packed with goodness.
Yes, a very good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, those of you are tuning in this morning. Thank you so much, Punjas Breakfast Crackers, BSP, and everyone there, eye contacting in the live stream. We want to say,
Okay, out for the letter.
Yo.
Because kita taruh nemes. Iyo. Tukun man na kata tu na nangu nambutu tundu ayan do nambung.
Iyo ki rumah mango kita warita tuna nambur.
Iyo.
Na Google kita Instagram tadi kuan na darkest hour in the night.
Right.
Nangu na apa?
Darkest time.
Iyo, darkest time. Itu kuliti ko na 3 a.m.
3 a.m.
Ouch.
Yo.
Tahu taman tanam ruat di bata kitchen ida.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I remember the darkest hour, as Demesi mentioned, is 3 a.m. in the morning.
All right.
I remember the first time when Deborah's mom, or Sarah, said yes to me.
Right.
And she said, you know, tomorrow morning, I want to meet you in the darkest time, that's 3 a.m. So on 2:30, I was strolling from Newtown. She was staying there in Muktaben. Muktaben number. 3 a.m. I was there. I was waiting there at this darkest time. After 3, 3:15.
At the runabout,
At the runabout. 3:30. And till 4 a.m. I couldn't find Nathaniel Sarah there. So I went back, I took a selfie where I was standing because I was tired of to prove her that I was there. So I went back, I was at home about 7 or 8, I called her and I asked her, Sarah, why did you didn't there? Or why didn't you were there? Because I was there at the darkest time. And she was arguing with me No, ouch, I was there. I was really there. I was at the runabout. And then I sent the selfie to her. When I sent the selfie to her, the place where I ate, and she said too, I was there. So I realized and I remember the darkest hour I went there
at 3
a.m. And I realized that I was darker than the darkest hour. Sarah Otine Deborah was there and I was there too. She couldn't see me because the reason is I was darker than the darkest hour. That's why she went back. I was there alone with the darkest hour until 6 a.m. So to prove to her the screenshot, I was darker than the darkest hour.
San rumati mata san tangin mon mon na mata.
Alright.
Tangin mata mon manu may gunoliw. Name. Yeah. Right. Ibi. Okay. Wala.
Sila may gunoliw may kandang.
Okay. Ouch.
Yeah.
Okay, kaya may tangin mata. Go tara man singing bulan non tagunwa.
Alright.
The kangaroo.
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 So, ladies and gentlemen, if you never heard the kangaroo cries, it's just like this.
Yeah.
Oi!
Oi! Alright. Okay.
Apa? Kau?
Alright. Relevant teman-teman tadi kuat.
Mai.
Mboto. Okay. Alright. Ang ngandri ko mabimbi.
I need you very heavily.
Okay. Dramita na busi na kuro kari.
You wet your tongue inside the pot of curry. Okay, mine.
But an engineering basi.
Alright.
Driver. Oh, man.
Blast, manda.
Okay. Out for the tamango.
Alright.
Dramita na busi na kuro kari.
You wet your tongue inside a pot of curry.
Demis.
Mai.
Tu me vono live nose.
Nause levu.
Okay. Teki mata to nose kila.
Tanang ngone se lalaki na ketena se hiduali sartuna.
Sema isa kau tu melai bausa. Dono makatunan dono bei para. Sana numo ko misangol. Isa lambolong ang buhay na naimu.
Okay.
So, naman cuma nabirto na staff ni nurses. Lambasa.
Staff ni what?
Nurses. I want to staff the nurses from Lambasa. Thank you so much for tuning in this morning.
Okay, kere.
Mai.
Betul betul nak kena satu osos tu kan nonton bulu tu nggak bakal tambusakan dengan guru-guru.
Alright.
Jadi kita turun di wale-wale na di kampung lah itu politikan.
Iya.
Tapi bini datang atau bini nak kacil. Okay, usah kira bikin raturan dua. Gor nan ro vital lo name, amera bintu mun. Okay, dia bikin ouch. Iku sana me leo. Tamay abu. Ko sana me tangan red. Tengok. Hey, reto ka na mata. Okay, ikut tuno buah. Aku nak kata mulut kan, nak penuh ikut kanan cuci nanggur. Kanan kau cuci nanggur.
Kalau mau menamelo ke sini.
Yang kata singa, oke sibuk menurun. Tangan tu fentekologi, etmatologi. Itu tu kuno ikut pasal itu. Di kuno lagu kia, berarti mungkin merbitalo. Right. Wrong. Right. Tu kuno di kuno lagu bermenokan cukina.
Baka musabol lagi.
Ano na mango?
Okay. Tunggu.
Iya.
Alright. Irna busi. Totalita boleh na kuno kata-kata.
Right.
Ya, kalau kita. Di saat itu irna wai. Irdu rere baka saranga. Right. Itu messi.
Iya.
Tani mana dona busi, nindo e berti ko sori wa. Mo ditu.
Iya.
E ko embuto ko ko na kuro kari aku tukar gacu. Weti stan sedap kuro kari.
Iya.
Sagale kana morto ko dapat ko dulu mago. Sa dulu mago tukin dam tumboy. Lango ko e buto ko na kan legur te ko. Mo sa tangkiro ko sa suso na mo. Esa bola sabi mo sa mata. Okay, ker. Yung mo busya. Yung sa kila di ko dawa. Ya, tari ko na tayong mata ko ni bunma. Boleh pikir na. Lagu mai ko butuh ko na kaya nang virte gi ko na tungguan.
Right.
Ni sa tanya.
Ano sa tongwan bang tongboy?
Iya.
Claro, do Sena mo ton. Hey, I want to say good morning to Naomi Sonikalo and the family. Nathan Divalai, a very good morning to you. I'm in the motor of my sister from England. She's tuning in the live stream today. Thank you so much. Good morning.
Right, okay. Alright, vamos total. Meu se sabe que entra na mataka ni ko out, Você se mataka ni ko.
Right?
Não mulai wa tu, mulai ka na mataka.
Right.
Era buku tsile Deborah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, that day I was really ashamed of myself.
Vira mista ka talo na mataka.
For those of you who didn't know, the first time when we met with Sarah,
Sana usi ko sana kita ngina fanit.
the message said the darkest hour is 3 a.m. in the morning. So she said yes yesterday.
Of course, yes.
And say yes. She has to say yes. And then she said for us to meet at the darkest hour at 3 a.m.
Right.
I walked from Newtown at 2:30.
Good.
I reached Muktaben in Nambo at 3 a.m.
Right.
I was there from 3. I was waiting 3, half past 3, quarter to 3, about to 4, 5, 6. I couldn't see because it was dark there.
Right.
So I take a selfie,
Yeah.
and then I went back home and I called her after 8 a.m. tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
I called her and I sent her the screenshot, and we were arguing. She said, I was there. I said, I was there. She said, I was here. I said, I was here. And then we said together, we were there. So I proved her, I sent her the screenshot.
Right.
And she said, the same spot,
Yeah.
just 3 meters away, she was standing there.
Yeah.
And you know the darkest hour.
Yeah.
So I realized I breathe in, I breathe out, I thought to myself, and then I knew that
We were both there.
We were both there.
And what's the problem, Ouch?
I realized the problem is
Yeah.
I was darker than the darkest hour. She couldn't even see me. She went back because the reason is I was darker than the darkest hour.
Kalau bicara darker than the darkest hour.
Our lolo, I'm a lolo, and if he lolo. So I was darker than the darker than the darker. So if you want to see the real thing, tune in the live. I was darker than the darkest hour.
I was darker than the darkest hour.
I was darker than the darkest hour.
Kita ni sampai ke dalam panik. El panik.
Wasiliano di Bima Marotak Indra Tunga Indra di Pulau Bawastar Tanah Matakan Dada Ketosan Dikelan Syekh Mana Ramalwa crackers, KPSP, que kami telah saya cuma harus balang show di mata. Tunggu dulu bang, mulai dari sini. PUNJAS breakfast crackers ke PSP ngor mu takani rok semu taw mama bermudu ni made ni kalau ngata